In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can do some very simple video editing that will make making a video easier and more successful. The goal of video editing is that, first of all, you can correct mistakes if you make them. It also helps so that you don't have to do big, massive takes where you have to do, 5 minutes in a row, but instead you can break it down into smaller pieces, which is typically more manageable. The program we're going to use is called Windows Live Movie Maker. You can just hit the Windows button and type movie, and it should be the first thing you see. When you get to this, what you're going to want to do, you can click on this button to add videos and photos, but I've just taken the video that I made a second ago. I've just taken it and put it on the desktop, so I'm just going to drag it in there, and it's going to take a second in process. Now that it's processed, it's probably going to be useful if I add a title. So I can just click on the title button here. It puts it in for me. I can give this any name I want. You guys know how to type, so I'm not going to show you how to do that. Some good title is always useful. Okay, now I'm making another video, you can tell, and I already told you how you might want to make a title. Now I'm just going to show you 3 basic tools in Movie Maker, which is how to split a clip in half, trim it, and then delete the things that you don't want, and then we'll finish off with publishing. Okay, the last step is to take these 2 other videos that I've made and get them into Movie Maker as well. So again, that's rather simple. We can just drag them straight in and let them process for a minute. It shouldn't take very long. In fact, they're already done. Something to draw your attention to are these little waves that are being shown. That's my voice, and it's very useful, or that's the sound of the video. It's very useful. You see here, there's a really big gap here. And how we're going to edit that is real simple. I know that what happened in this clip is that I started talking and I messed up, and then I made myself pause so I could see this gap. So all we want to do inside of this pane that we're looking at now is we want to think about this black bar that I'm dragging around. And I'm going to drag it to this position right here that is just before I start talking again. And I know that from this point forward, it was fine. I don't need to make any changes. So we've got a few options here. We can right-click on this bar, and we can set this as the start point. It's not the start point for the whole video, it'll just be the start point for this one clip, which is highlighted in blue. Alternatively, we can go to the Edit tab, which you see here, and we could take this and we could split it. And what splitting does is it makes that, you see again it's highlighted in blue now, so that section that was in front of that black bar is now its own clip. And I can just easily remove that, and now it's gone. So there's a few ways to do it. Okay, that's it. I'm pretty much done. By doing that, I can do all the edits I need to. So I need to finalize this video, put it in here, and then I'll show you how to publish. Okay, everything's there now, so pretty simple. You can either directly click on YouTube or Vimeo or whatever that is. If you have those accounts, that's fine. Maybe the simplest way to do it is to save your movie. And all we want to do is say recommended for this project. And once it pops this up, it's going to have you save it in a certain spot, which is all very simple. You guys know how to do that. So, should be pretty easy. Remember, the goal of editing is so that you don't have to do one long take. I've made this video in about 5 parts, so I didn't have to think about how to do it all from beginning to end. And it's only taken, as far as editing time, it's only maybe taken me, 5 to 10 additional minutes at most. Good luck, and I'm looking forward to seeing good work from you guys.